Just be cool, everybody. So today is St. Patrick's Day. One of my favorite days. I don't know why. Probably just because I like drinking beer and green shit. We gotta fix that. Oh man, wheelie cam's fucking my shit up. Come on. Well, I thought it was gonna be cool. It was not cool. Actually, a really cool thing about having the Grom is that you can get away with a lot of stuff on it, actually. Let me tell you why you should buy a Honda Grom. As if, dude. Ooh. Fucking all over the place. Jesus Christ. I don't know. I got my idle adjuster. Have not put it on. I don't know why. Out of all the parts that I got for this bike, and as fast as I got these parts put on this bike, is kind of amazing that I haven't put it on. Except for there's one little comment. One little comment from, fuck, who is it? Hold on. Damn it! Another Grom stunter on YouTube said that the idle adjuster messed up his ECU. Damn it! If I find it, I will link it. His videos are awesome. He's super good at stunting. He's worth checking out. Oh, we're getting a lot better at those. Not great though. Better. Should we go see if we can find some other cool spots to do wheelies? Today is adventure day of finding cool spots. Put a lot of air on my front tire, and now I can actually turn, you know, like a normal motorcycle. Wheelie cam on. Sucker. Whoa, what the fuck? Simmer down, boy. Is this an MSF course? I don't always find these. Oh. Well, good thing I checked it now. Shit broke. think this bus is an actual house.
Hey, Honda Grom?
Reason number 56. You can go anywhere. Zoop, a zoop. 125. Yeah, yeah. Sorry. Thanks, man. It's fun. Yeah, yeah, real good.
How many miles to the full tank?
It's like 90-ish. A little over a gallon.
Who makes that?
A Honda. It's a Honda Grom.
A Honda what?
Grom.
Grom.
Yeah.
How much was it?
Like $3 grand. 3. Yeah. It's
The insurance is cheap.
yeah. It's like 17 bucks.
What's the top speed?
Like 60.
That's good.
Yeah, it's good. I just mess around on it.
That's what they're doing this.
Yeah. So, reason number 77 to get a Honda Grom is you'll be popular. But only popular in the way that you have to literally answer the same question. Every interaction you'll ever have is going to be, how big is it, how fast is it, how much was it? And that's it.